Guess what we're doing today? We're going on a
shopping
spree because we're going on vacation. We need a few stuff.
Whoa, we're going on vacation!
I'm so excited. You guys have to comment below and guess where we're going, right, Javi?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the store.
Yeah.
You want an iPad?
Yes. What's the iPad?
Over here, you silly.
Oh,
Secret option. Which one do you want?
the blue one?
You want the blue one?
Yes.
Camilla is sleeping, so she can't help us pick, but I guess so. Let's go see. Let's go find someone to help us.
Oh, yeah. Mama, take it now.
Why are you taking a nap?
Because the guy's taking so long forever.
He's coming soon.
Okay.
What happened?
I don't know what I am.
That's because it's free. We have to download it. I told you.
Oh.
What game do you want?
I found trouble. Please.
Oh yeah, that's your sister's favorite movie.
I want to buy this one.
Oh, the Hot Wheel? Javi, let's go get the iPad. The guy's coming. Javi,
Wait.
Javi, come on. We gotta get the iPad. The guy's coming. Oh, he's gonna get you. Oh no, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Come on.
I found that.
Brand new iPad.
Yes.
So exciting.
Oh, we
You want to show everybody what kind of iPad you got?
Yeah. Let's find the go-kart.
How to get a brand new
Because
iPad.
I wanted. I need a go-kart for it can fit my Lamborghini golden one.
For your gold Lamborghini?
Yes.
Javi, I'm gonna race you. I'm gonna race you. No. What does he want?
What do you want, Holly? A GoPro? Is that what you want? A GoPro?
Yeah.
The
What are you
GoPro
doing?
We're gonna go to a different store to find the GoPro.
Oh.
Yeah, they don't have any here. We need to find suitcases.
It's okay.
That's not a suitcase. Javi said this is a suitcase.
What kind of suitcase you want? You have your McQueen one. We just need one big one for mom and dad. I think this
No,
is
I
perfect.
want the scooter one. I want the scooter one.
The scooter one?
Yes.
You're gonna have to find that on Amazon. Let's go see. We have to get you some clothes. You need more summer clothes because we're going somewhere hot.
Yes. We go to Salvador and Puerto Rico, and then we go back home, and then we go do the Freddy costume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's coming soon. The Freddy costume's coming soon.
What? Oh. I
What do you need?
This for the sun will hurt my eye.
You want a hat?
Yes, for the sun will hurt my eye.
That's a baby hat, though, Javi.
No, this.
Let's see. Put it on.
Oh,
That's really good. You definitely need that for
whoa.
vacation.
I think we lost Javi. I don't know where he went.
Ooh, I have not been able to find him. He literally ran away. Look at him. You just ran
Javi,
away
we
from us.
lost you. We thought we lost you.
Mom, you want to play hide and seek?
Yes, I do.
Yes. That's a 100.
100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 99, and 100. Okay, here I come. Ready or not?
Javi.
Go. big party game. Javi would love this. He loves McQueen. Javi! You literally scared me.
Right here. I want.
You find something else you want?
Helicopter! Helicopter!
Helicopter, helicopter.
Those are the rainbow friends?
Yes. That's helicopter.
If you're gonna get it, hurry up. Come on, we gotta get the GoPro. Remember, we need the.
Yeah. And we had to go home because we're getting a huge snowstorm tonight. We gotta get some snacks. Maybe we can get some snacks for
Oh yes,
snowstorm.
I want this to this because I love rainbow flips.
Okay.
I will pick this right here.
So I think we got pretty much everything. We got an iPad, we got 2 toys, we got the suitcase, we got a hat, and we got a few summer clothes.
Yes, and the tent and the rainbow flips toy.
So
Okay.
that's it. Let's go to the next store. Let's go find the GoPro.
Oh wait, you guys want to get some snacks?
Oh yeah, some snacks for the plate and the snowstorm time.
I want sleds where I can go down the hill.
You'll have the round one.
You have a sled already.
No, I want to put the cool one. I want.
Look at this is a snowball maker.
A snowball maker. That's pretty cool.
Definitely need that.
We can make 100 snowballs.
No, the other one.
Oh, that one.
What is that?
Snowball blaster. Oh my! You get to blast some snowballs at people. Oh, let's get it.
Yes, I want. Cause I want to.
You can get Mia. We can throw snowballs at Mia.
Oh yeah.
I like this.
You ready for some snowball fights? Let's go. Let's get shopping.
I like blasters because I want to like to throw snowballs. So I want to ride.
I know, that thing's cool. You see the snow, Javi? How much snow are we getting?
100.
100 snow?
Like 100.
Okay, get in the car, hurry. We gotta go to one more store before the storm comes. Come on, come on.
Yeah, and then
The storm's coming. Come on, come on. We gotta go, we gotta go.
so guys, we're in the store for my GoPro.
Your GoPro?
Yes.
You gonna go in the water with it?
Yes, I'm going to put my car's going to go in my water, and then I'm going to put the fan.
Let's go find it. Wait, is it this one?
No. It's not.
I'll give you $100 if you find it.
So, let's go to
Give you $100 if you find it.
no, like this one.
So where is it? Find it, find it.
No, like it don't have this one.
Wait, Mom found it?
Yes,
No. Tell me about it.
I want it. Please, can you get it? And then we go back home. So, I'm going to go back home to get my treehouse ready for my first go in my house, in my tent.
Javi! Was that monster? Was that the octopus monster? Javi. What happened? You scared of the octopus monster?
No, it's there.
Come on, let's find somebody that can help us because it's snowing.
Just gotta bring it up to the front.
Okay, thank you. You want to hold it? It's pretty heavy.
It's not too heavy.
It's not too heavy?
Not for me.
Okay. Not for you? Yeah.
Goodbye, guys. Bye.
Javi, what did you get?
GoPro.
A GoPro?
Mm.
Hey, let's go try out your GoPro. Maybe we can do a snowball video with your GoPro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you so excited for the snowstorm?
Yes. At first, we're gonna make the tent, and then we go inside.
Wait, we can make the igloo.
Another igloo.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you
We're
when we
gonna
get
snow on
home.
his head.
Yeah. I got where's my stuff I have? I got iPad. One. I got 3 kids like and
Javi wants to show the rainbow friend.
yes. This is rainbow first. That's where that's green. That's blue. That's a helicopter. That's orange. That's a
You know
different-
all of them?
Yeah, the different rainbow fish, the different red. So I see red right there and blue dry in the bush, and him is in the back, and green next to rainbow flag. So we're there outside coming up, and I should make
The snowstorm's just beginning, huh, Javi?
yes. We can play.
We're gonna get like 100 feet of snow. Show him the snowball maker, how it works.
Wait.
Wait, you made a snowball already?
Wait.
Use the snowball maker.
Ooh. I make one. And we'll see.
Oh, okay, Javi, hurry up, because we gotta go inside. We'll come outside later and play.
Yeah.
Come on, Javi, we gotta eat lunch. You gotta end it here, Javi. We're gonna make another part 2 later. Okay, Javi? Oh, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, you're staying outside now. Bye-bye.